Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly, let's open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you will see the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, it is much easier. Simply tap on this 3 bars icon and the recents will appear. Of course, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps or 2 of them, just find it and then swipe it up. But if you want to close all, just tap on this X button. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check, and we had no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.